In this video, we will show you how to record an activity with connected GPS on compatible Garmin watches. Visit the FAQ link now for more information and a list of compatible watches. To complete an activity with connected GPS, you will need your watch and a compatible smartphone. For this video, we will use a vívomove Trend and an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are similar for other devices. Start by making sure that your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect App. See your device's owner's manual or visit support.garmin.com for more help. Once you've confirmed your smartwatch is connected with your smartphone, you can start an activity. Access the activity list and select an activity option. For this video, we will use the Run profile. Your watch will automatically connect with your smartphone to use connected GPS. Then you can simply start the timer and complete the activity. Just remember that your watch and smartphone will need to stay connected during the entire activity. Once the activity is complete, stop and save the activity on the watch. And that's it. You can now set up and use connected GPS on compatible Garmin smartwatches. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.